What's up guys? In this video, I will be sharing 5 important things to consider before buying an NFT. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so this is the website that we'll be referring to. A link will be in the description of the video. 5 important things to consider before buying NFTs. Number 1, take a look at the people behind the project. And again, guys, not all of the projects that are coming out, like the crypto projects, the NFT projects, not all of the team members are revealing their faces. So many consider the people behind a project to be the most important thing to consider when purchasing an NFT, because it's often that the case that the past performance is an indicator of the future performance of a certain individual. Now, looking at the things like what projects they have worked in, what are their credentials, was it a success? So an experience in the NFT industry can provide a valuable insight into the long-term viability of a project. Now, next one would be analyzing the project's timeline, otherwise known as you have the roadmap. Okay, having a decent timeline with some of the major developments planned for the future is a positive sign, because it shows that there is at least a larger plan for the project. Still, it's best to view the roadmaps with some speculation, as it is a tricky process with many unforeseen pitfalls that can make even the best of intentions go sideways. All right, so that is the next one. So the project timeline, otherwise known as the roadmap. Next in line would be check the quality of the NFT art. Now, it's only a fraction of the available NFT collections that will ever reach a notable valuation and see a significant level of price appreciation or increase for their owners. Now, keeping that in mind, it's important for you to actually like or love the piece that you are buying, because you could very well be its forever owner. Now, perception is perhaps one of the most subjective things in the human experience. Is assuming a project will do well because you find it's aesthetically pleasing is a setup for a letdown. The characteristic of the price volatility the cryptocurrency market is known for is even more intense in the NFT arena. So being content with the possibility of a long-term hold is crucial. So again, guys, number 3 is check the quality of the NFT art. Next in line, and the 4th, is evaluate the community behind the NFT. The strength of a community is one of the most important factors in the long-term success, and I strongly suggest a good, healthy, strong community is one big factor in terms of driving the project up. They share, they do word of mouth marketing for you. So evaluating the community is one of the things that you need to consider before buying that NFT. All right, last but definitely not the least, guys, analyze the utility of the NFT. As crypto evolves and NFTs become more than simple JPEGs, a newer factor that needs to be considered is the utility of an NFT. And I strongly agree on this one. All right, so does it grant you any special privileges or access to something exclusive? Does it offer a way for you to make money through future projects or other income opportunities, right? Is it more than just an image or a video, right? So those are the things. Again, consider that as well. NFT tech is way behind mere JPEGs, and people are realizing it. An accurate example is the Star Cards project mentioned earlier. The team is building a DEX called StarSwap. First one with NFT governance, giving the NFT technology a fantastic use case. So this is something that you could check out. But again, checking out the NFT's utility, that's one thing that you have to consider. Now, at this point in the game, if an NFT project you are evaluating offers little more than a cool picture that has potential resale value, at this point in the game, if an NFT project you are evaluating offers little more than just a cool picture that has potential resale value and little else, it's probably best to move along until you find a project that helps bring additional value to your portfolio on top of being a piece of art that is absolutely must have. And I strongly agree on this last one, guys. Find out the utility of the NFT if it's more than just a piece of art. So if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider subscribing. Click that bell, that way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.